gente, it's Mariluz here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to complete this fall makeup look. I use the Ring the Alarm palette from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collaboration. I think from all the collection this is my favorite palette, and it's also a great palette for fall, so I highly recommend it for this time of year. So if you would like to learn how to create this fall makeup look with this palette, just keep on watching. Okay, so for today's tutorial I'm going to start with my eyebrows. So I'm filling them with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. And after that, I like to clean the edges with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. And I also blend that with a concealer brush to, make it seem nice. After that, I use the same concealer to prime the eyes, and I set that with my RCMA No Color Powder. And once that's set, we are on to the fun part. For the eyes, I'm going to take Rush on a Sigma E40 and blend that in my crease with windshield wiper motions. I'm also building this color since it will be my only transition shade. Now I'm going to move on with the Shadow Mugshot on a Sigma E25. And I'm going to keep this color in the outer V. I'm also doing my best to blend this like in a circular motion with my Sigma E25, but also I'm blending it back and forth on my outer V with my Sigma E40. Now I'm taking the shade Siren and doing the same thing, blending like in circular motions on my outer V, and I'm using also my Sigma E25 for this. Now that I've built this color like so, I'm taking Framed and I'm doing the exact same thing, blending in circular motions but back and forth at the same time, once in a while. And the only difference is that I just dipped my brush once in the palette and I just keep blending the color that I have. Now to work on the lid, I use On Camera on my ColourPop flat brush, and I start applying it just on the lid. I do build this color a lot, but not with my finger since I wanted the blending to be more seamless. I'm not going for a cut crease, so I don't want to wet the shade or have it very intense on the lid. Now once I put the lid color, like the On Camera shade, I like to blend the edges as I go. So I used Siren in this case to blend those edges out. You can use this shade as needed. Next, I'm taking the shade Lolly on the same ColourPop brush, and I set it on the top of On Camera, and I'm doing the same thing as I did with On Camera. I'm not wetting it or anything. I want it to look seamless. Now at this point, we're moving on with my face. I'm priming with my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm spritzing this all over my face. And after that stride, I'm going with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now I'm taking the Becca Liquid Highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop, and with the Round Kabuki, I'm blending this only on the high points of my face. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I use it in the shade 290. I like to apply this with a beauty sponge. Now I'm concealing my under eye with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Sand. This is a new shade they released. I definitely think this new shade looks so much better on my under eye, and I am so glad they extended their shade range. Next, I'm baking under my eyes with the RCMA No Color Powder, so we can continue with the eyes. For the bottom lash line, I'm taking my pencil brush, my Sigma E30, and blending Siren all over my lash line. And underneath that color, I use Rush to blend it out. Now I swiped away all the excess powder and I'm moving on with bronzer. To bronze my face, I use the Benefit Hoola bronzer with my Sigma F40, and I'm blending it around the perimeter of my face, like the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, and so on. Now sometimes I go too hard on my forehead, so I always like to take a beauty sponge, in this case my beauty blender, and I like to blend those edges. I also take the beauty blender to blend the setting powder on my face. Next, I'm taking the Too Faced Love Flush Blush in the shade I Will Always Love You and blend that on my cheeks with my Real Techniques blush brush, best blush brush ever. I top it off with the Too Faced Papa Don't Peach blush. And after that, I'm highlighting my face with the Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop with my Sigma F35. I use the Tarte Light Camera Lashes, and I'm also using the same highlighter to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone. Now to finish this beautiful fall makeup look, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton. And guys, I found this liquid lipstick at TJ Maxx for so cheap. I'm so excited. It looks so good and I believe it's perfect for fall. So now here's the finished look. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!